I think two biggest areas I definitely feel that we need more work, and some of the work is coming up. One is in explainability.
Mm.
Explainability not only, and sometimes people think that reasoning is explainability. Reasoning is not explainability. It's just explaining the steps of the processes the model took. But explainability is truly something that if you are an end user, you are a financial economist who's looking at some document that has processed and some I would say formulas applied, you're really
Mhm.
trying to figure out why the model arrived at that particular step. It's basically what we used to do in the predictive side, right? Like Shapley values and making sure which decision tree, why did it land in that decision tree, why is
Yeah.
that feature importance. We used to
Mhm.
always run feature importance tests, right?
Mhm,
Now with
mhm.
GenAI, it has become so hard to kind of
Yeah.
explain that underlying methodology to your business end user who wants to understand it because that is their forte, but they
Mhm.
are like, oh, we are blindsided, we don't know why is it coming to this. Even if it's right, it's okay, but what if it fails and we cannot catch that fail point? So I think explainability has to be the biggest area where I feel a lot of work needs to be done. But if you look
Yeah.
at some of the recent what is that called, it's called, I think, circuit tracing tool
Mhm.
that Anthropic recently open sourced.
Mhm.
It is trying to do something similar to that. It's kind of trying to do a graph like mapping, that if you
Mhm.
have a prompt and if you have like a backend database,
Mhm.
it's kind of trying to show the level, yeah, not
Mhm.
attention level, but more process each layer level, each iteration level, where which word it's kind of landing based on the importance scoring it's giving in that process. So
Yeah.
I tested it out for a couple of prompts, not like really deeply, but just to get an idea. I definitely feel that's the right step, or like the right, at least the first step.
Mhm.
But yeah, I mean, like explainability has to be like, I would say, like my number number one area. I would say number two really needs to be expectation setting, even from the tech side. Baseline truth to what really some of these models can do or should
Mhm.
we expect them to do.